Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically create this gradient blur background effect on Canva. So you are going to go to this draw right here. If you can't find it, it's in apps and it's the draw one, and you're going to basically select the marker tool, adjust the size, and you're just going to create like circles all around, and you can basically choose any color that you'd like to. Just add in some random circles to your canvas. It doesn't have to be a circle as well, it can be like the squiggly line as too. Okay, I don't really like the look of that, so I'm just going to maybe stick with circles. If you can draw better squiggly lines, you can definitely do that. I'm going to keep adding in some colors here and there. I'm just going to do this randomly. You can also like add in lines if you want just like a straight gradient, but I'm just going to do circles because I want to do circles. Something like that, whatever. Select done, and what you're going to do next is you're going to select edit image. In adjustments, see all, and then here's where you're going to blur out your background like so, and it creates this really cool effect. And just adjust the size a little bit so you can't see the like these bits right here at the corner if you want to, and then you can just add in a text here. I'm just going to type gradient, and I'm also going to make the text larger. Okay, that's a little bit too much. I'm going to just place it here, maybe color it or not, totally up to you. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!